If you're still using spreadsheets to track your passwords, it's time to upgrade. Spreadsheets might seem like a simple solution, but they come with major risks. Today, I'll show you how to replace spreadsheet-based password tracking with a much more secure and efficient alternative in just a few minutes. The issue with spreadsheets is that they're not encrypted and are vulnerable to theft or hacking. They also lack the automation and convenience that modern password managers offer. Instead of having a vulnerable spreadsheet lying around, a password manager securely stores your passwords and makes them easily accessible with one click. But here's the catch. Not all password managers are created equal. In fact, I've tested several of the most popular options, and I'm going to share with you the one I think works best, along with an exclusive free trial that you can follow along with. First, let's talk about what a good password manager needs to do. It should securely store your passwords, generate strong passwords for you, and automatically fill them in on websites. Plus, it should work on all your devices, so you can access your passwords anywhere without worry. To get started, you'll want to choose a password manager that syncs across all devices, provides encrypted storage, and ideally offers two-factor authentication. This way, even if someone gets access to your account, they won't be able to steal your passwords. Now let's dive into how to actually set this up. The software we'll be using has a very straightforward installation process. First, head to the link in the description to get the free trial. Once you sign up, you'll download the app on your device. This works for desktop, mobile, or both. After the installation, you'll create a master password. This password is the key to everything, so make sure it's strong and memorable. Now that you're logged in, you can start adding your passwords. Most password managers will allow you to either manually enter your passwords or import them from your spreadsheet. Importing is super easy. Just upload your CSV file and the software will automatically populate your vault with your stored passwords. I recommend doing this step right after setting up your account so you don't have to worry about manually entering everything. Once your passwords are in, you'll have the option to organize them by category, making it easy to find what you need. Whether it's your email, banking, or shopping accounts, a password manager keeps everything in one secure place, reducing the chances of misplacing or reusing passwords. One of the best features of password managers is the password generator. If you're using the same password for multiple accounts, or worse, simple ones like 1234556, it's time to upgrade. The password generator will create strong, unique passwords for you, making it almost impossible for hackers to crack them. Just copy and paste them into your accounts and you're set. Finally, don't forget to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your accounts, making it even harder for attackers to access your information. Most password managers support 2FA, so take advantage of it. To recap, replacing spreadsheet-based password tracking is simple and secure with a password manager. Start by choosing the software that works best for you, import your old passwords, organize them, and use the password generator and 2FA features to keep your information safe. Key takeaway: if you're still tracking your passwords in spreadsheets, you're taking a huge security risk. A password manager is the much safer, smarter choice. Be sure to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below so you can start replacing spreadsheet-based password tracking today. Remember, with a password manager, you're not just organizing your passwords, you're taking control of your security. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab that free trial.